Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to make easy and delicious crispy chicken spring rolls in minutes using the liquid method. Let's get started. Add your chicken, this is chicken breast, to your pan. Add some salt, some seasoning, garlic powder and some ginger powder. Add a bit of pepper, then you're going to go in with some water, enough water to cook, then cover this and cook this till it's very soft. When it's done cooking, just take it out of the pot. Use your fork to mash up the chicken like this. Alternatively, you can do this in your blender or food processor. Just use the pulse function to get the same result. Just keep this aside. To a pan, add some oil, saute some onions and garlic. Stir this for a bit, just fry this till fragrant. Then go in with the shredded chicken. Go on and fry this for a bit. I like to fry mine till it's a bit brown, till the chicken is a bit brown. Go in with your seasoning, your ginger powder, your seasoning cube, pepper. Remember, the chicken is already seasoned, so you don't want to do too much. Add some salt and stir this for a bit. Go in with your cabbage and stir very well till very well combined. Make sure you strain out the water of the cabbage properly after washing, because your filling might end up being really wet if you add excess water to your filling. Then you go in with your carrot. If you want to add more vegetables, you can do that, but I'm going in with just cabbage and carrot. Stir this till very well combined. I'll go in with a bit of dark soy sauce. It's quite optional, you can skip this. Go ahead and stir this for a bit. If you notice our filling is very dry, it's quite intentional. Your spring roll filling should be dry. Otherwise, if it's too wet, it might end up affecting your wraps. After frying, your wraps might end up being really soggy if your filling is too wet. So try as much as possible to get it to be very dry, just like this. Let's make the wraps. To a bowl, add 2 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Go in with 2 cups of water. Then you're going to mix this. Just mix everything together till well combined. This consistency is like that of pancake, but we want it to be a bit more liquidy. So I'll go in with a bit more water, about a 1/4 cup of water, and I'll just mix this till combined. If you find that you have lumps in your batter, you can just let it rest for about 10 minutes and then it's going to be really smooth, just like this. Please make sure your batter is very smooth. So we're using this brush for this. You can use a bigger brush, smaller brush, but this is the brush I'm going to use. I'm just going to scoop like this and into the pan. Let me show you. So to your pan, make sure you're using a non-stick pan. Here I'm just testing to see how hot it is. Please make sure your pan is on low. It should be very low. Then you're going to take some and just keep spreading it thinly, just like this. Okay, just as I'm doing like this. Don't spread it too thick, because if your wraps is too thick, you won't really enjoy it. So go ahead and spread it thinly and just let it do its thing. Then let it cook for about 1-2 minutes, then take it off, and that's just what you're going to keep doing. Here I'll just sprinkle a bit of flour, then I'm going to place my wrap in. Then I'll sprinkle a bit more flour on this. Then go ahead and cover this so it doesn't dry up. Keep on repeating the process till you exhaust all your batter. So just keep repeating the process just as we did the first time. Make sure to use low heat, and then you can spread thinly and light. Don't make it look lumpy. Make sure it's very smooth and flat, just like this. If you find that there is spaces, make sure to fill up that space, otherwise your wraps will end up with holes. Let it cook for a minute or 2, then take it out. This is what our wraps look like. See-through, really soft and really nice. Just keep repeating the process till you exhaust everything. Here I add 2 tablespoons of flour. I'll go in with some water. I'm just going to form a paste. So this paste is going to serve as a glue to seal off the sides of the wraps while we're folding. So this is what the consistency should look like, and it should be really smooth. So at this point we are done. This is all our wraps. 2 cups of flour gave me 12 pieces of medium-sized wraps. So now it's time to fold. So take one of your wraps, place it down like this. This is our chicken filling. And you see how dry it is. Make sure there is no oil inside or water or anything. Even if you find that your filling is a bit wet, make sure to strain out the liquid in your filling before using. So go on, add a reasonable amount of your filling in, fold like this. Then you're going to fold the left side like this, fold the right side also. Then you're going to press down to secure. Then you're going to take that paste that we made just like this, add it to the left side, add to the right side, and add to this side. Make sure you add in enough of this liquid to seal off properly. Then you're going to fold this tightly to prevent it from opening up. Then you secure like this, and that's it. That's basically how to fold your spring rolls to make it look this pretty. So just keep repeating the process till you exhaust everything. Let's do it one more time. So you get your sheets, get your wraps, add the filling in, then you're going to cover tightly, fold the left side gently, then fold the right side also just like this. Use your paste on both sides just like this. Be generous with this to prevent it from opening up in the oil. Then add your paste in just as so. Then you can go on and fold tightly and carefully just like this. That's it. So this is everything. We ended up with 12 pieces of spring rolls. At this point, if you're not ready to consume, you can go ahead and freeze it up like this. It can last a week or 2 weeks or more in your freezer, depending on how you freeze it. And if you want to eat it immediately, you can go ahead and fry immediately. So go on and fry to your taste. Make sure it's golden brown, because the browner it is, the crispier it gets. Then carefully take it out of the oil. Place in a paper towel to extract all excess oil. And that's it. Easy, crispy chicken spring rolls in minutes. You can go ahead and serve this with whatever dips or sauce of your choice. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.